So I have been eyeing this damn bra for the longest. Like, and it came in like, I think it came in like 2 to 3 days. Or was it 3 days? I feel like about 3 days from when I purchased it. But I have been eyeing this bra for like a month at least. But then when I first saw it, I was like, $65 for a bra? That's what we doing now? $65 for a bra? Yes, this bra is $65. It comes in this cute little wash bag, so you can actually wash the bras in them. It says that the wash bag actually holds 2 bras. You can put 2 bras in this and wash it. I got this in a size 4 luxe. So I was gonna get it in the 2 luxe, which I'm assuming is a 2X, but I got it in a 4 because I do have bigger breasts. And when I buy sports bras, I like for the sports bra to be tight because I normally wear a bra under it, then I put a tighter sports bra on there so it don't move. So this is what I got. It says wake up, kick ass, repeat, period. So like I said, it comes in this little wash bag so you can actually wash your bra in. And it actually, in the actual bag itself, it gives you directions on how to maintain the bra. Over here, how to maintain the bra, how to clean it, and you actually, if you don't like it, you can exchange it or return it. Yeah, this is about $65 for this one. I got it in Sandstorm. I wanted to do a pretty neutral color that I can wear with any of my bottoms. It's a pretty like pinky color. You guys can see. It says Shefit on the band. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna kind of see if it fits, how it fits. I'm gonna bounce a little bit, see if it passes the bounce test, and I will be back. So it was a complete fail. It did not fit. So I'm currently at the gym and it is keeping my boobs so far secure. So I'm gonna run a little bit, see what happens. So see if I can get you guys up and running. Okay. So it's keeping everything in place. It has these little straps here where you can tighten it if you feel like your boobs are moving too much, but it's not moving to me. So I have been wearing this sports bra for a few days. If you are at this point of the video, you've already seen the vlog of just the durability of the bra and everything when it comes to the bra. And I wanted to kind of give you an in-depth review so you can really take a look at the bra that I have here. So this company, when I first purchased the bra, I bought it in a 3 luxe. So it's not a 3X, it's a 3 luxe. And I thought, because you know my sizing is, I wear a 2X, I'm thinking, okay, a 3 luxe will be fine. But I should have listened to the survey that I did, because the survey that I did said I should have bought a 6 luxe, but I did not. And so I had to exchange it. And the great thing about this company is that they do allow you to exchange the bras, which is so dope. Because honestly, I did not, most companies don't let you exchange and they send you another one. Most companies, you return it, gotta wait for a refund, and then purchase it again. So the way it worked was, I returned it on a Thursday. Then they sent me a letter saying they received it. I think it took 2 or 3 days for them to receive. After that happened, then they sent me a confirmation a day later saying they shipped out my exchange, which was the 6 luxe. and that only took about, I would say, 2 to 3 days for me to get. The process alone didn't take that long. I feel like it just took a full week for me to get everything. So I'm going to show you how the bra looks and give you guys my thoughts and comments about it. I have been eyeing Shefit's bras for a little minute, but baby, this bra is $65. Is it worth it? Do I feel like Shefit is worth the 65 buckaroos that you have to spend? I will definitely have to say that I do wholeheartedly believe that this is worth the money. The reason I say that is because when I work out, first of all, I have big breasts. I wear a 44 triple D, sometimes without padding a 44 double D. Whenever I work out, I have to wear a unpadded bra, then a sports bra on top, a tight sports bra on top, to keep these things from jumping and bouncing everywhere. And then on top of that, then I wear a shirt and, you know, my shapewear, and then I'm off. It takes you about 10 minutes to get everything on and ready. And if I forget to pee, everything gotta come back off. So this is, all I can say is that I love this bra. Like, it is worth the money. When I went to work out, to know that all you gotta do is put this on and go is crazy. So the way the bra works is it has a zipper here in the front. And then you have these that hide the zipper at the top and the bottom. So once you unzip, you actually have 2 hooks, which I didn't know when I was trying them on, but you have 2 hooks. This hook and this hook. This helps. What I suggest, if you are going to purchase this sports bra, put on hook it first, then zip. I tried to zip and then hook. I don't know why the fuck I did that. But don't do that. Hook first, then zip. Then it has these adjustable straps here that once you put it on, if you feel like it's too loose, you take it and you're going to pull it all the way up, and it pulls your breast up. Then you have one on the back. This strap on the back tights your waist, just in case it feels a bit, you know, loose. I don't mess with this because I don't need to. I will say when I'm working out, I do play around with these because sometimes I can't decide if I want my breast all the way up so it doesn't move, or if I want a little bit of looseness so it can kind of bounce freely. So what I will say is it also comes with padding, which I've worked out with both the padding and without, and I will say I prefer no padding. Reason I prefer no padding is honestly, I just don't feel like I need this. I feel like if you're working out, why do you need padding for in a sports bra? You don't need it. You don't need it. There's no need for it. So 9 times out of 10, I pull these out. But overall, when it comes to this bra, I honestly could say that this was one of the best purchases I've made, and I am going to hopefully purchase another one in a different color. But I know for a fact I'm going to wear this ragged until I'm forced to buy another one. I don't know if any of you guys have used the Shefit. You guys leave y'all comments. Tell me how you liked it. If you had any issues with Shefit. Personally, for me to have spent money on a company and I got my bra so fast to work out with, it did everything that I needed to do. It was really worth the purchase. Like, I adored this bra. So that is it for my comment. If I could say something, on my big tatas, on my big titty, on my big breasted women, go get you this Shefit bra. It's the best bra ever. And I don't promote things like this all the time. I'm not like a big like go get it, go get it, go. But I'm saying, like, if you want to work out and you don't want your titties to go anywhere, and you don't want everything just everywhere, get this bra, period. And that's on period. So that is it for the video, you guys. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me how y'all feel, and if y'all did purchase Shefit, let me know what color y'all got and how y'all feel about it. And this is it. Bye.